how to turn on or turn off Speak Keyboard Input Aloud phonetic alphabet on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down. From here, tap on General Management. After that, we go down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then in here, scroll down and tap on Swipe, Touch, and Feedback. Next, tap on Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. Then we scroll down to the bottom. And from here, tap on Phonetic Alphabet. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. So here it says when reading letters aloud, use the corresponding word from the phonetic alphabet instead of the letter name. So let's see what it looks like or what it sounds like. So I'm just going to delete this one.
Capital H Hotel, E Echo, L Lima, O Oscar.
There it is. So that's how you can turn it on or off. So if you don't want to use it, we can switch it off. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.